Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back. Now, this is day 2 of my Amsterdam trip, and on day 2, I did what I love doing. I went to a bunch of different art museums. First, I went to the Rjiksmuseum, which has a lot of older art and more historical art. Then I went to the Moco, which has the pop art, which was extremely full because it's only like a small house. It's not a big gallery or anything like that. It's only like a small. It is a house filled with pop art, and I think it's more interesting for a broader audience because we know these paintings and we know these artists because you can buy prints of their art everywhere. And of course, because it does have a few Banksy pieces. So if you ever want to see a Banksy in real life, this is an easy way to go. You can also find, I think Warhol was there, and there were a ton of different artists. I did not film in that one because that one was, as I said, it was packed. You can't film. I took a few pictures for myself to have something to look at, but filming was not in the cards for me there. And last but not least, I went to and I'm going to butcher this name right away, to the Stedelijk Museum, which is the Museum of Modern Art in Amsterdam. So this one has like all the things from cool modern paintings to things where you look at them and you go, is this really art? Okay. I love going to those and I love looking at those because it's so interesting to see everything that can be art and that is called art. From paintings, there was a Jackson Pollock, so something that looks like someone just splattered paint on a canvas, to some installations where you go, okay, if this is art, I don't get it, but it's still fun to look at them. So yeah, I had a lot of fun doing that. And just a little reminder, as I said in my first vlog, I had the I Am Amsterdam card, which meant that I could go to all of these for free because I paid for the card and these entrance fees are included. And for the Rjiksmuseum and the Moco Museum, I had like an appointment to go in. So I went to the website and I got another entrance ticket for a certain point so that I could just go inside. I didn't have to pay for it because I already had the I Am Amsterdam card. But especially for the Moco Museum, where I went at around 12, I think it was, I could just walk past all of the people that wanted to buy their tickets at that point or that wanted to go inside at that point because I had this appointment. So yeah, I think that's something you should know and you always should think about. And if you like art, as I said before, the I Am Amsterdam card is perfect because you can go to so many cool galleries and museums for free, which is really nice. So yeah. Let's have a look at the footage. I'm not going to talk in this one because I decided this one will just be the footage and I don't really know what I should say. So yeah. So yeah, enjoy the footage. I'll see you afterwards. So yes, that was my second day in Amsterdam, filled with museums, filled with art, and I had a lot of fun and I was really, really inspired afterwards. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it too. And I hope you are all healthy. It is winter right now and there's a lot of flu going around. So please stay that way. And I hope you're having a wonderful time, as it is the winter time, and in some places it hopefully is a little bit more wintry than here. Here right now it's raining and a little bit gray, but that's simply winter time in Hamburg. We're used to it. So, as always, I'm going to remind you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And yes, stay healthy. And I will see you in the next vlog, which will still be Amsterdam. The next travel is at the end of December, but I think we can hold on until then with the Amsterdam footage. And I might even take a break for one Sunday. We'll see. Other than that, as always, I'm going to leave you now with a heartfelt bye.